Turns out trains have all these hidden perks. 99% passengers don't even realise them, especially the last one. First, if you're travelling for work, Avanti is a proper good shout. It's fast, direct to northern cities, and in first class, the free meals, Wi-Fi and charging points are a massive plus. Second, the secret's simple. Open TrainPal and search for UK68. You'll find some massive discounts there. My mate even managed to get a 90% off voucher. Plus, at least 20% off rail cards, only £28. And no booking fee. So, where are you heading? Drop your start and destination in the comments and I'll check the price for you.